Hello children, welcome to your English class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to revise very important topic of language, active voice and passive voice in simple present tense and present continuous tense. First of all, let me tell you the meaning of active voice and passive voice. Now, how do we use active voice? We use it to say what the subject does. For example, the child picks up the book. Here, the child is a subject. And how do we use passive voice? We use it to say what is done to the subject. For example, the book is picked up by the child. Here, the book has become subject now. In passive voice, pronouns are also changed. So, let us see how they are changed. Here, he changes into him, she becomes her, you remains you, it also remains it, I is changed into me, we is changed into us, and they is changed into them. Let us understand it through an example. For example, he sings a song. So let us see how do we change he in the passive voice. In passive voice, the sentence will be changed like this. A song is sung by him. So he has been changed into him now. How to form passive voice? Let us understand. In simple present tense, the rules for passive voice are object plus is for singular, am with I, and are with plural, plus past participle. Past participle means third form of verb, plus by, plus subject. In present continuous tense, the rule is object plus is or am or are plus being. Being word is added here, plus past participle. Past participle again third form of verb, plus by, plus subject. Just see the examples now. In simple present tense, the sentence is a cake is baked by him. And in present continuous tense, it will be changed like this. A cake is being baked by him. Now active verbs and passive verbs. What are the rules further? Active voice is equal to doer plus active verb plus receiver. This is the format of active voice. And in passive voice, it becomes receiver plus passive verb plus doer. In passive voice, whenever the sentence is changed, the doer becomes receiver and the receiver becomes doer. Or you can say subject and object interchange their places. Let us understand through this chart now. In active voice, the subject or you can say doer, the word is Mrs. Chan. Active verb here is washes. Object or you can say receiver is the dishes. Now how will we change this sentence into passive voice? Let us see. The sentence is Mrs. Chan washes the dishes. Now in passive voice, we have to interchange the object and subject. So the answer will be the dishes are washed by Mrs. Chen. Now see the exercise here. Choose active or passive. Here I have given some mixed sentences. Put A for active and P for passive. The first sentence is the boy bangs on the table. Second, a girl is bitten by a dog. Third, Mrs. Walia washes the car. Number 4, the library is cleaned by the workers. Number 5, I read my dictionary. Number 6, the floor is swept by the maid. Now let us see how will we change them. Choose active or passive. Just see how will we change them into passive voice. The boy bangs on the table. It is active voice. A girl is bitten by a dog. It is in passive voice. Number 3, the floor is swept by the maid. It is again passive voice. The library is cleaned by the workers. It is also in passive voice. I read my dictionary. It is active voice. Mrs. Walia washes the car. This is again active voice. I hope you have understood these, the difference between active and passive voice. Now, active and passive voice in simple present and present continuous tenses. Let us see through some more examples. In simple present tense, the verb to be, that is, am and are plus past participle means third form of verb we have to use. Let us see the examples. How do we use them? For example, the boys are punished by the headmistress. Here, the boys, that is plural. So, we use are punished here. The cat is fed by Lily. Is again used with singular. I am taught by Miss Tam. With I, we have used am. Now, let's compare active and passive sentences in present tense and present continuous tense. In active sentence, Sahil locks the office. How do we change it into passive voice? The office is locked by Sahil. Now see the second sentence in present continuous tense. In active voice, it is Sahil is locking the office. And when we change it into passive voice, it is changed like this. The office is being locked by Sahil. Now let us see the exercise again here. Let us check ourselves. Change active to passive voice. The first sentence, the policemen catch the thief. This is in simple present tense. So we have to change it according to the rules of simple present tense. The answer will be the thief is caught by the policemen. We have to use the helping verbs according to the object, whether it is singular or plural. Now coming to the second sentence. The girl is wearing a beautiful dress. This sentence is in present continuous tense. So let us change it into passive voice. It will be a beautiful dress is being worn by the girl. Now let us do some revision exercise. I have given some sentences here. Change the following into passive voice. The first is Rani eats an orange. The second is Mohan is painting a picture. Number 3, the kids play football. Number 4, the gardener is watering the plants. Number 5, I make paper boats. Number 6, they are reading a story. I have given these sentences in mixed form in both the tenses, simple present tense as well as present continuous tense. Children, you have to solve this exercise in your English language notebooks, and I hope you will be able to solve them very easily. So that was the end of today's chapter. Happy learning!